Hi friends, this is Subrat here and this is the 88th video on my Python series, and in this video we are going to discuss about nested if statement. So let's start. We have already seen how you can use a single if statement, if else statement, if else if and else statement. So we can also nest, or we can also put if statements inside another if statement. So how it works? So we can have if else if else statement inside another if else if else statement. This is called nesting in computer programming. That means if you have a simple if statement, inside that you can put if else if else statement. In case of else if also you can put if else if else statement. Inside else statement also you can put all those statements, if else if else statement. So let us see this how we can nest if statements inside another if statement. So let me have number here, suppose 10. This is my global variable number, and if I'm checking if my number is greater than or equal to 0, and again I'm writing and one more if statement. So you have to mark the indentation how it's coming. If number equal to 0, then it's printing 0. Else printing it's a positive number. So after giving enter, it is coming inside the else block. We have to give one more backspace to come out of the else block, and to end the if statement I have to give one more else statement here, else. I can print negative number. Here you can see my output has come as a positive number. So let me change it to 0. Let's see what's the output we are getting. You will see it has came as 0, as my this if statement is getting satisfied or gets getting true. That's why it's printing its statements inside the if block here. So in this way you can nest any number of if else statement inside a if statement or else statement or else if statement. This is called nesting in case of Python. So friends, this is all about how we can nest some if else statement. I hope this concept is clear. If you guys have any doubt regarding this, you can leave a comment under my video. Thank you.